Hello friends, and welcome back. We're gonna do our second origami today where we make the cat. I've already created my square, and remember you can do this origami with any type of paper that you have in your house. So if you have computer paper is also fine, but lined paper works just as well. Okay. So if you remember me saying yesterday, lined paper is a little bit thinner and it might be easier to fold. So if we're looking at our instructions, we start with a square, we fold it in half, but this time we point the triangle up. We fold our triangle in half one time. And then we open it back up. So just like yesterday, square, taco fold with the triangle pointing up. That's the difference today. Folded it in half and opened it up. So just like yesterday, I'm going to draw a line down the middle part. Okay, so the difference today is instead of folding our ears down, we're going to fold our ears up because cat ears go up. So I'm actually going to fold it this way because I want the holes to be on the back side. So I just flipped it over because when I fold my ears up, if I fold them up this way, I can see the hole for my cat ear. So I don't want to do that. So I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to show you why that's important at the end. So I'm going to do the same thing I did on the other side where I go through and draw this. Now you do not have to do the center line. I'm just doing it so you can see it better. But this is not required, this line right here. You don't have to do that. Okay. So then you take your ears and you bend it up just like yesterday at an angle. We don't want to go straight up because we're just going to make it into a square. We don't want to do that. So we go to the top and we pull it out till it looks close to what is in the step-by-step instructions. And then I start my crease closest to the center as I can. I've got one ear. I'm going to repeat those steps. Go up. Pull it out until it looks like it's going to match and crease my fold. The last thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna fold down this middle one. So we have 1, 2, 3 peaks. On this side, we only have 1 peak. So on our middle fold of our 1, 2, 3 peaks, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna fold it towards me. Make sure my lines are lined up so that I know that it's straight. And I think I need a little bit more than that. Sometimes with origami, you do a little trial and error, and that looks like it's about 3 fingers. So I checked it, I measured it. So here's the end, and it's a little bit shorter than 3 fingers on me, but for you, it'll be right at your 3 finger mark. So it's like 2.5 fingers for me, but I have a big people fingers. So the last step, you fold it over, and then you can draw your cat face. So you can draw eyes like we did yesterday, and I'm just using my pencil to do that. Oh, this eye is too big. Oops. I'm gonna make it have another little patch like I did yesterday. I'm gonna just fill that in, a little patch. I like putting the eye patches on animals. I don't know why. I think it looks cool. And so then I'm going to color over my mistake. You can't even tell that I did it anymore. And then for cats, don't forget they have a little pointy triangle nose and a little curvy mouth this way and a little curvy mouth that way. And you have yourself a kitty cat. Don't forget whiskers. And then they have whiskers up here. These aren't eyelashes, they're whiskers. And just like yesterday, I'm gonna put a little patch of color on the top of the ear here because I wanna balance out my asymmetry by using a patch of color in a different spot. So like here I have it over the eye, here I have it over the ear, so it's symmetrical without being perfectly symmetric, so it's asymmetrical balance. just gonna shade that in a little bit more, just so it looks nice. And as you can see, these are pretty easy. So tomorrow, my friends, we're gonna do another one that's easy, but it's a little bit more difficult than the cat and the dog that we did. So you should have some cat friends and some dog friends to start. And then tomorrow, like I said, we're gonna work on another animal, and you'll find out what that is then. All right, friends, you have a great rest of your day.